show.
Hey, I've got dozens of projects planned and a couple I've already started, but yesterday I saw this guy and I thought he would make perfect ultimate Rat King. So I'm gonna do that now. Gonna be good. I have some references here, and I did this drawing. This is Hush from Batman by McFarlane Toys. I thought his face was perfect. He already kind of looks like a rat. So first I'm gonna take off his jacket, and it's a soft plastic, so I just use an X-Acto knife, careful not to cut my fingers. The sleeves are hard plastic stuck on him, and just that other part comes off. But I want one sleeve to be sewn on from another jacket, so I'm cutting off some of the strap on the side. Now I have hockey stick tape, and I just use that to add a little more of the wraps on his face to make his chin and his cheekbones and his nose a little bigger. Then I cover everything in a matte acrylic varnish. Now I just mix some colors to get a green that I'm looking for, just like a pale pastel green for his pants and his shirt. The jacket, this is just a beige color. Yeah, it's pretty much a trench coat color. That's from the 2003 series. When I saw him and I thought he looked like Rat King, I drew the picture. I was going off my memories of the 2003 and the 1984, so I dry brush a little silver on his pads there because that's how the figure came, and I put another coat of matte varnish on everything to seal everything up and get it all ready. Then I mix with the beige some yellow and a lot of white to get the color I'm going to go over all his wraps, because I had added some more tape to his face and to his gloves on his hands, and then painted the whole hand white to match. And yeah, then I cut a thin strip of faux suede lace and I glued that on so he has like a turtle bandana type thing, because he likes to wear that. He's a fan of the turtles. But I have more hockey stick tape. I go with black hockey stick tape to add some details. Now I'm using that white mix, but I'm just dry brushing it a little bit on the shoelace I used to wrap around his jacket, and just to make it pop out more and look older and dirtier. So now he's all done. I found a spot for one of the knives he came with in his back there. It's in with some rats, and I just painted a background out of cardboard and threw some of my other stuff in there. So thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.